Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Linux. If you have come across this video, you have probably heard about Linux and are curious to know what it is and how it works. Let's assume you are completely new to computers. When you turn on your computer, you most likely use an operating system like Microsoft Windows or Mac operating system. These are examples of operating systems, software that allows you to interact with your computer. For example, Windows has a taskbar to launch apps, a file explorer to manage files, and a web browser to access the internet. In the same way, Linux is also an operating system. It has its own desktop environment, file manager, and thousands of applications. Why use Linux? If Linux does the same job as Windows or Mac, why would you choose Linux? Well, there are some key differences. First and foremost, Linux is open source, which means anyone can view, modify, and customize the system. Unlike Windows or Mac OS, you are not restricted by a single company. You have full control over your system. A simple example could be alias command, which allows you to create your own custom commands. This level of flexibility is one of the reasons why there are many different Linux distributions designed for different types of users. Second, cost. Operating systems like Windows can cost around $100 to $200, and with Mac OS you need to buy Apple hardware. Linux, on the other hand, is completely free, and so are most of its applications. Some of the most popular free applications include LibreOffice, which is for office work, VLC Media Player for videos and music, Mozilla Firefox for internet browsing, GIMP for image editing. You could use platforms like Flathub, which makes it easy to find and install these applications. The third difference is customization. Linux gives you freedom to choose different desktop environments, meaning you can completely change how your system looks and feels. The fourth reason is the powerful terminal that you have in Linux. One of the biggest advantages of Linux is its terminal. So instead of relying only on graphical user interface, you can control almost everything using commands, which this gives you more power, speed, and flexibility. So Linux is all about freedom and control. Whether you're a programmer, a video editor, or even a gamer, Linux has something for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Linux content.